Why, hello there. This is your astrological forecast for Monday, September the 20th. My name is Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. Before we get started, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we are releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the murkiness, all the disease, all the negativity. It's all flowing out of our bodies and it's flowing away. In its place, we're being filled by this beautiful white light that not only fills our entire bodies with white light, love, and the will to good, but we see it also going out and forming a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Virgo affirmation. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. We're going to say the affirmation together. We'll stay in this space connected to our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. Good, good. Well, happy Monday. It is, I'm going to get this pronounced right, Sukkot for our friends in the Jewish tradition. That begins tonight at sundown. Today is also the full moon in Pisces. So this energy, the full moon is in Pisces, stimulates our creative imagination. So this is why this week is such a great time to plan a new project, come up with a new idea, a new strategy, maybe even figure out a plan of attack to begin a new relationship. It's all about putting those plans and details down. We're clear because of the moon aspects today. We are very clear about what we are seeing, and it's all working together well. But the problem is there's nobody out there interested in listening to it today. People are really not interested in sharing today. They're more into their own agenda, their own idea. So if that's us, we're promoting our own idea at the exclusion of anyone else's, even though we know that they have some input, we might want to watch out for that. But regardless, it's a great time. Our creative imagination is stimulated. We come up with these great ideas, great strategies, good plans. So make sure we write them down. We will be able to possibly carry some of those out tomorrow morning on Tuesday, or again on Saturday. In between, no, I would keep them in your back pocket until you have a better chance of others buying into your idea. So that's today. With the moon in Pisces, this full moon, we feel and we want to be connected to the whole. So what we could be doing today is doing some more volunteering. We want to be of service to others. This really gives us some real feel good vibes when we do that today. So help someone else in need. If somebody needs get a trip to the doctor, or anything small. Helping the old lady across the street, even me. No, just kidding. No, I'm not. You can help me across the street. So just doing little acts of kindness. It's a great day for that today too. And then the moon will go voided course today at 4:55, and she does not go into Aries until about 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time tonight. So we end the day. We've taken the energy and we've got all these great ideas and stuff we've been working on, and now at the end of the day we're feeling like, oh yeah baby, I'm putting this stuff out there. Oh wow, I am the cat's meow. I figured this out. I'm putting this out there tomorrow, and people are not even gonna believe this incredible idea I have. Well, you better do it tomorrow morning, because that's your last chance until Saturday. So make it a great Monday today. Tap in to that creative imagination of ours. Now be careful, because it is that Piscean energy. Be careful, because being connected to the whole also equals escapism from the physical world, and those of us who may be a little out of balance or are experiencing some stress, we may go right to alcohol, drugs. We might find ourselves wanting to stay at work until 1 a.m. in the morning so we can get everything done. Be careful about that, because that is an escape. And that is the default of this energy when we're not using the energy in a healthy way. So if we see that going on, that is a great red flag for us to take a look and see what the heck is going on. Advice for Monday. View from above. Get the big picture. Not a day to promote our individual idea, but a very good day to see what else is going on. What other ideas are out there? What are others contributing? So it's a great day to take that overview and get the big picture of what is going on. In the flow, I never can get these cards right. In the flow, we're going to move with the energy today. We're not going to buck it. We're not going to force our agenda. We're not going to aggressively promote it, knowing that the energy is not there to support it. So we are just going to go with the flow of the energy. We may feel like we might have ants in our pants, but we're going to sit back and let the energy shift tomorrow morning. And then great adventure, take a risk. And that is for tomorrow morning for those of us who've been working on that new idea, the new project, maybe it's a new something we learned in the software, something like that. But take a risk on that on Tuesday morning. That is our time to use that energy, that Piscean energy, creatively, and we've come up with this new different idea. Tomorrow, Tuesday, is the day to see if that puppy floats. Have a great Monday. Remember to come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. The Sun in Libra monthly forecast comes out today at noon. Take a look at that. The guided meditation for Sun in Libra will come out on Wednesday along with the daily forecast. If you like what you see today, please like, subscribe, and share. I would really appreciate it. And remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel. Life is lived from the inside out. Happy Monday. Namaste.